We are on the Carnival Fantasy, room U152. This is an ocean view room, and we're going to go and do a room tour. Walk in. We got the bed split because it's myself and my daughter. And this is an adjoining room. Over here, we are not sharing it with anybody. But for families, you can do that. When you walk in, you see closets. Got massive amounts of closet space, and I'll show you the inside. You got your life vest down there. Hangers. You got 3 of these. Got some of my clothes hanging up, waiting on. You get robes, stuff to put your other stuff, along with safety instructions. MS Fantasy. And one more shelving unit. Comes with a safe. We've already programmed it and locked our safety stuff up in it. And an extra blanket down there. I think it's actually linens. Turn around. And this is actually one of the larger bathrooms I've had for a ocean view room. Got a nice walk-in shower. Nice vanity. And the toilet. Get a view on this side of the room. It's actually pretty big. Come back around. This is actually the living space. Got a dresser, vanity style with lights on both sides. Like I said, this is a door that does adjoins to the room next to us, but we don't know the folks yet. Got the bed. We are just now getting in, so still have the luggage mat out. Got 2 chairs. They give you towels for the pool or the beach. Over here is my bed. It's got a night light, which is really nice. There's the sunglasses. Vlogging camera. It's got a flat screen TV. Right now it's giving us all the safety stuff. And let's go to the best part of this room. Oh wow. We're actually sailing out of Charleston. And over there you can see Patriot Point. Fort Sumter over here. Not sure what all that is. See the boat over there. So we're going to the Bahamas, so we'll see you guys in a couple days. Take care.